Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Are you ready to create a magical world for your little one? A space that's not only beautiful but also sparks creativity, imagination, and endless fun. In today's video, I will be sharing some colorful nursery and playroom design ideas that are practical, stylish, and most importantly, loved by kids. Whether you are decorating for a newborn or revamping a playroom for toddlers, these ideas will help you transform any simple room into a joyful wonderland. So stay tuned till the end because I will also share some smart tips to make your design flexible as your child grows. Number 1. Walls that speak. The first thing that sets the mood in any nursery or playroom is the walls. Instead of leaving them plain, think of them as a canvas. You can paint a soft rainbow mural across one wall to instantly brighten the space. If painting feels too pigmented, try peel and stick decals, stars, clouds, jungle animals, or even underwater themes. These are not only colorful but also easy to change as your child's interests evolve. Another brilliant option is a chalkboard wall. Imagine giving your kid the freedom to draw, erase, and create every single day without worrying about mess. Walls are the backdrop of imagination, so let them inspire play. Number 2. Furniture with a twist. Moving to the furniture, now in kids' room, functionality and fun should go hand in hand. Instead of heavy, boring furniture, go for lightweight, kid-sized tables and chairs in bright, cheerful shades. Mixing colors makes the space more playful. You don't need to stick with one tone, and here is a pro tip. Choose furniture with rounded edges for safety. For storage, open, chubby shelves with colorful bins are lifesaver. Not only do they make toy cleanup quick, but they also look like part of the design. Imagine a shelf with red, yellow, blue, and green boxes. It looks like a rainbow and keeps everything tidy. Number 3. Accessories and add magic. This is where you can get really creative without spending too much. Rugs and mats and puzzle shapes or rainbow design and softness and style. Cushions with stars, moons, or animal prints bring coziness to the room. Curtains are another way to play with colors. Go bold with patterns like polka dots or strip, or keep it dreamy with clouds and pastel shades. Lighting also plays a big role. A moon-shaped lamp, star ceiling lights, or a string of fairy lights can turn bedroom into a magical experience. Small details like this create an atmosphere where kids feel safe, happy, and excited. Number 4. The play zone. Every nursery or playroom needs a dedicated play area. One simple idea is to set up a teepee tent or canopy with soft cushions inside. It becomes the perfect hideout of storytelling or pretended play. Another fun option is a wall-mounted sensory board with latches, wheel, textures, and colors. It keeps little hands busy while building motor skills. If you have enough space, add a swing chair or hammock. Kids love that gentle motion and it gives them a cozy corner for relaxation. And don't forget activity mats, roads, cities, or alphabet prints that run the floor into an adventurous playground. Theme that inspire. Now let's talk about theme. Choosing a theme makes it easier to design the whole room. For example, a jungle theme with green walls, leafy decals, and animal cushion feel adventurous. An underwater theme with blue tones, fish stickers, and seashell accessories feels calming and magical. Or maybe your child loves outer space. Imagine glow-in-the-dark stars on the ceiling, rocket-shaped shells, and a navy blue rugs with planets. Themed rooms give kids a world of their own where they can dream, imagine, and play endlessly. Ceiling and creative touches. Most parents forget about the ceiling, but it can actually be a secret design weapon. Glow-in-the-dark star, paper lanterns, or hanging mobiles make bedtime so much more exciting. You could even paint a sky with clouds or a galaxy with tiny LED lights. Another idea is an interactive wall with a growth chart shaped like a tree where you mark your child's height. Over time, it becomes a sweet memory wall. And of course, frame your child's drawing and hand them proudly. It boosts their confidence and makes the room feel personal. Number 7, the balance of color. Now I know what you might be thinking. Won't too many bright colors make the room look overwhelming? Here is the trick. Keep the base neutral with white, beige or soft gray, and then add pops to color through decor, rugs and accessories. This balance ensures the room feels cheerful but not chaotic. Plus, it gives you flexibility. As your child grows, you can simply change the colorful accessories without repairing or buying all new furniture. It is a smart way to keep the room evolving with them. Number 8, practical tip for parents. Before we wrap up, here are some practical tips. Always choose washable fabrics for rug, curtains and cushions. Kids can be messy. Go for furniture that doubles as storage, like ottomans or benches with hidden compartments, and most importantly, involve your child in the design process. Let them pick their favorite color, theme or accessories. When kids feel included, they will love the room even more. At the end of the day, it's not about perfection, it's about creating a space full of love, laughter and imagination. So there you have it, tons of colorful ideas to design a nursery or playroom that's not only functional but also full of magic. From rainbow walls to themed play corners, each element can bring joy and creativity into your child's everyday life. Which idea did you like the most? Would you go for a jungle theme, a rainbow wonderland or a space galaxy? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for the channel and share this video with parents who are planning their own little dream space. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring. Bye bye.